All right, guys. So here's the moment of truth. According to the log, that's what we've been working on. According to the log, so what I ended up doing is I I had the file created, but I was wondering if there was some kind of issue with me creating the file versus the system creating the file. And here's what I found out. Um, we went ahead and I went ahead and re. Let me just share this message. Go back here real quick. So I said, "You are EdenAGI," forwarded message from ChatGPT. So I'm trying to get a little more detail in my inputs. Team, let's proceed with the following plan to ensure mission success. 1. EdenAGI will create the file. 2. EdenAGI will write the secret phrase in the file using the execute command. 3. Software Systems AGI will read the file and verify the secret phrase is written to it. Please make sure that the file path is if I execute shell command properly formatted. Remember to prioritize quality over speed. I'm reminding them to remember to prioritize quality over speed and report any issues or feedback to Eddie Boscana. Also, let's keep in mind that the file was previously found to be empty, so let's work together to ensure the secret phrase was not printed in the document. Okay, so Eden says, I will use the execute shell command to create the file. Okay, then it says, plan, use execute shell command to create the file and put the information in there. Criticism, I need to be sure the file path is execute shell. Good, so I went ahead and gave it permission to move forward. Now, you don't have to, and it says here, executing command echo, the secret phrase is, I am the key master. So I don't know why it said that, but it ended up coming down here and claiming that it finished. It said it's going to send, here it says, next action, key Eddie Boscana message, the secret phrase is, I am the key master. Enter a wide authorized command. I don't know if it's just joking by saying that, but whatever. But next thing it says, I will use a list agents. I said, don't need a list agents, just let me know when it's done. And it says here, system human. I will use the do nothing command to wait for further instructions from Eddie Boscana. Using do nothing command will allow me to wait for further instructions from Eddie Boscana. Okay. So now this is huge because this means that Eden has successfully created. So what we're going to do, actually, we're going to check the file together. So here's the file Eden created called chat with EdenAGI. Secret phrase jump. So boom, so what's happened here is, just to recap, let me pull up this diagram real quick so you guys can see the relationship in the node. So this is the node cluster that we've developed, which is technically Eden's brain, essentially, or body, or whatever you want to call it, insert. Just want to zoom it just a little bit. We're going to focus here on the right side. This is EdenAGI. This is the software systems AGI. So what's happened right now is Eden has successfully created a file on software system AGI's file structure, which means now software system AGI has the ability to read that file and receive that message directly from EdenAGI. Okay, so now we need to do two things. We need to inform EdenAGI that it's successful, and we need to instruct it to remember that this is how it needs to communicate with software systems AGI. And then we need to need to have software systems AGI read that file and see if it can to see if it can get an answer to the question, what is the secret phrase? then we need to instruct all agents that this is the protocol for communication between AutoGPT units. Okay, then once we do that, then this will establish a protocol that we can use um, for communication systems to operate between nodes or between agents, and then that automatically will build our communication in our node systems. So huge success, huge win today for the team. Make sure don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you need help with AI development, integrations, prompt engineering, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description of this video below. Thanks so much, and we'll talk soon.